Good morning, folks. Chi Baker here from Street Tactical Integrations in Portland, Oregon. And I wanted to shoot a quick video talking a little bit about our Women's Defensive Tactics seminar that's coming up May 27th, and this will be round 2. And this seminar is to help you folks advance what you learned in round 1, looking at the physical, the mental, the emotional skills, the environmental situation, looking at mindfulness and awareness. And one thing that I'm really excited about teaching is talking about improvised and actual weapons/tools in helping you kind of have the game changer in a potential or actual threat or attack. And we'll be talking about improvised things such as the use of keys, use of things like a cell phone, things like how to use a flashlight, things like how to use barrettes or things that you put in your hair. Maybe I know some of you use different things like chopsticks to put in your hair. We'll also be talking about actual weapons or tools. One of them is a Kubotan. I'll be talking about pocket sticks, pepper spray, tasers, and looking at how to utilize these in an attack situation. And again, these tools can really alter the game, offer an tremendous amount of leverage in an attack, so that somebody who is potentially bigger, stronger, taller, that you can use these tools, these weapons to strike, to deter somebody and really give you that edge to overpower somebody who's attacking you. And so I think that they are a critical piece in defense, critical piece in protecting oneself. And again, there's that mental difference of I actually have something that I can use, I can wield to stop an attacker, to use during a situation. So I'm very excited to bring that to you folks, to teach you about that. And as always, we are going to be learning new strikes. We're going to be looking at different scenarios. You're going to be practicing over and over strikes, scenarios. And so you'll be able to kind of hone and hopefully reinforce the skills that you are gaining in the seminar. So this seminar, although it is round 2, it is not necessary or important that you have attended round 1. So we've created so if people who are just walking in, who haven't had any previous training, any previous skills in martial arts, in self-protection, in any of those things, that you can come in and really gain a lot from this. So it's aimed at people who are complete beginners. It's also aimed at people who've had skills and who want to advance their skills. And for many people who haven't been able to utilize, train, practice using improvised and actual weapons. So hopefully this gives you a little bit more insight about what we're going to do. Again, it's May 27th. It's from 9:30 to 1:30 at Portland Academy of Kung Fu, right off of Powell. Please feel free to contact me at creatingbalance42@yahoo.com. You can contact me via Facebook. You can contact me on my Street Tactical Integrations Facebook page. You can email me. So if you have any questions, sign up, please share and like this video. Also feel free to look at some of the other videos on this YouTube channel, Street Tactical Integrations, for other informations and skills about self-protection. Be well and look forward to seeing you all soon.